Hey, Ronnie Rocksmith here with USA Digi and RonnieRocksmith.com, and in this video we're going to be reviewing a thumbnail blaster. Now here's my story on this. So this went live April 29th and it ended on May 3rd, and today is of course May 21st. So what happened was I was doing two promos for two other different products and I couldn't fit this one in. So after I finally had the free time to create this review video, I contacted the vendors, which is Stosia and Vlad Christian here, and as you can see here on Skype, I'm still waiting for these two guys to accept my invitation. So what happened was I have the review doc here and the login details, but of course they're no longer active because the launch is like 3 weeks already over. So yeah, that's my story with this. So I don't have access to the members area or review copy at this time, and I didn't buy the software, and I usually do just to promote and help out the vendors, but I really don't need it because I'm already have, graphic design experience. But even if you do have graphic design experience, this is still a great software for you, and we'll talk about that later. So since I don't have access to the members area, I'm going to show you a screenshot of what it looks like inside there, so you can just get a general idea of what it looks like inside the members area here. So this is a screenshot. So let me go ahead and get back over here. So let me tell you about the bonuses that I put together. So here's my bonus page, the fastest and easiest way to 3x your video views and get hyper targeted traffic and sales. You can watch my review video here that you should be watching, or if you're watching this on YouTube, check out the description below and you can click on a link in there to get to this page. So click on any of these yellow buttons here, guys. There are 3 on the page, and don't worry about this bonus expires in because it's reactivated, like I said, because this had ran out before I could actually publish everything. So it's all good to go. Just click on any of these buttons and it'll take you to the sales page where you can pick this up. Now I'm also going to show you, if you use my links, you're going to save 62% off the original price, and let me show you that right quick. So as you can see, the original price is $97, but if you use this code here, thumbnail37, you can save 62% off of that price and get this for $37, guys. Okay, we'll go over the sales page in a moment, but let's go ahead and go back to my bonus page. So here's a little bit about what it is. It's a basic software that's going to create amazing thumbnails to get more click-throughs on your YouTube videos. That'll give you better rankings, and you can go ahead and read through all of this. Here's an actual demo of how it works inside of the members area and whatnot. Another button to click on. Let's talk about the upsells and the price points right quick. So again, this is already launched, but it is still selling at this time. The front end is $37, as I just showed you. It's attached with that coupon code. The OTO1 is Thumbnail Blaster Pro version. It's $47. You can read through these descriptions if you want to, guys. The OTO2 is $67. Okay, that's Thumbnail Blaster Agency. So you're going to be able to actually use this software to sell the thumbnails to others, which is one of the 3 things that I'm going to talk about. Who is this software good for? Okay. OTO3, $17 a month, $147 yearly. Thumbnail Blaster Template Club. You're going to get some different templates every month here. It says 20 new templates per month, and you're also going to get bonus 20 VIP templates as soon as you purchase this if you pick up this upgrade. And then bonus number 4 is $57. That's Lingo Blaster Standard plus Pro. So basically what this is, it'll translate your video titles and descriptions in 100 plus languages. So pretty cool, right? Okay, so let's talk about my exclusive bonuses here. So if you use my links on this page, you're going to get my bonus number 1, my HD stock image collection. Bonus number 2 is YouTube Authority Video Training Course. Bonus number 3 is YouTube SEO version 2. Bonus number 4 is WP YouTube Leads plugin. And in bonus number 5, it's YouTube Cash. This is my video training where I show you how to cash in with YouTube using 3 different ways. Okay, so your bonuses are actually waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you how to get to that. So as soon as you use my yellow buttons on this page, it'll be in Warrior Plus for you. So once you log into your Warrior Plus account, go ahead and click on this drop down and click on Purchase History. You'll see the product that you purchased, Thumbnail Blaster. Click on the big link that says Thumbnail Blaster, and then you're going to see this page. So this is for cash magnets. That's just an example. But you'll see a blue button right under access your purchase. That will be the affiliate bonuses from me. Okay, so that's how you get to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the sales page one more time. So we went over this briefly already. So basically, guys, just read through this, see everything that's involved with it, everything that it comes with, all the features, all the great stuff that they have on this page. Pretty long sales page, so we're not going to go through every detail of it, but there's some really good stuff in here, so make sure you check it out. Now, I didn't pick up this software because I'm already getting good click-throughs on my YouTube thumbnails on both of my accounts, so I really don't need it. And I usually do purchase softwares that I review because I always use them within my business. In this case, I already have the design skills for many years now, so I don't feel it necessary for me to use this software, although it would speed up my process, I think. But if you lack design skills and your thumbnails suck, this would be a perfect program for you to use. It's really easy to use. They have step-by-step training inside there. It'll show you it's really simple. You connect this to your YouTube account using API, and don't worry if you don't know what that means. They'll show you inside the training area and all of that good stuff. So let's go over the 3 areas that this is really, really good for. Number 1, if you lack design skills, this will help you tremendously. Number 2, if you want to become a freelancer and make money with this software, you can use this on Fiverr or any other freelancing platform if you pick up the upgraded agency access. Okay, so make sure you do that if you want to go that route. Number 3, if you're already a freelancer on one of these platforms that I mentioned and you want to add this to your arsenal of things to sell, because creating thumbnails for other YouTubers is really popular. And another thing, you don't have to just use these on YouTube. You can use these for Vimeo, for Wistia, for any kind of video platform that allows thumbnails. So it's really cool, and I do highly recommend this. So that's going to wrap up this review, guys. Like I said, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and find the link in the description. That'll go to my bonus page where you can check out my bonuses and click any of the yellow links on there to pick this product up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my review on Thumbnail Blaster. I hope that it helped you make an educated decision on if you think this software can help you in your business. And I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and RonnieRocksmith.com. And guys, happy marketing. Hey, I'm Ronnie with USA Digi and USA Digi Academy. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click this video if you're interested in that, or go ahead and click this video. YouTube says you may be interested in that. Or if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe by clicking on my image here.